Listen to Things That Go with 6 amazing real-life sounds. Okay, turn the page. Push the button and hear the sound. 啊，没有打开开关，那你就把开关打开好不好？最后一页，最后一页开关在哪里？开关打开。好，可以。再翻回去第一页。Beep the horn, giraffe.
Beep, 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 beep.
很好。
Beep, beep, beep.
This is the traffic light. The giraffe is driving a red car. The panda is driving a yellow car. Here comes the lorry. Can you ring the bell on Wolf's bike? Look out for the train. Choo choo.
这是什么？
What a noisy boat. Yeah, it's a boat. What a noisy boat.
怎么了？这个是什么 ？Spot
这是一个 tram， 这是
train。
对，是轻轨电车。Ring the bell on the tram。
刚刚的这个也是，等一下。
这个也是电车，可是它是火车。好，
火车。
你看听它的声音有什么不一样？蒸汽火车，咻咻咻，对不对？然后这个呢是用电线让它走的，然后有一个小的轨道在路上。Ring the bell on the tram。
这个是在路上面，
对，
这个是在这个上面，
在轨道上面，对，轨道是 rail。好，那最后一个 ，What a lot of noisy vehicles. Which one would you like to drive? Which one would you like to drive?
阿妈的
Oh, the car. You like to drive the car?
yes。
And what else? What else? Which one? Which one would you like? The train? Yes. How about the boat?
我最喜欢。
也喜欢呢。好啦，那讲完喽，要说什么
The end.
？The end.
おしまい。
おしまい。